Hey everyone, Terry back with Terry's O-Gauge Trains with the final video on that Marx Canadian Pacific pre-war from eBay. I see the motor is now back in the shell, and it's been lubed, cleaned, and tuned up, and it is running perfectly. I touched up the paint with the old Sharpie marker and oil trick to hide some of the scratches and stuff that were on it. I'll take it around here. Let me get the phone off the tripod. I'll go around to the front here. I polished up the front end as best I could. I get a little bit of shine on it. I replaced the two marker lights, which were missing, and the smokestack insert. And this thing is really running well. I'll power it up and I'll let you see how good it's running. This will be the first time around the rail fully assembled. And there we go, zoom zoom. That's at about 50% power. And as I said, it is running perfectly. You couldn't ask for this thing to run better. So I'm very pleased with it, at how it turned out. And just goes to show you really can't kill a Marx. Hope you enjoyed watching this series of videos, and I certainly enjoyed making them. So again, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that'll be all from Terry's O-Gauge Trains.